babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. I am so excited about this launch, and what it is, you guys can probably already see it, but I mean, I gotta show you guys this huge package that I got. It is the Urban Decay collection, oops, there we go, with Game of Thrones. You guys know, or well, I hope you guys do, I think you do, I am a huge Game of Thrones fan. I absolutely love the entire series, everything about it. I love. Okay, this is really heavy and you guys can probably see that it's very big, but this is how it looks. Then you can take this off, which I don't really know what this is, but I think it's really cute and I'm probably gonna keep it forever. And then it is the palette. You can open it up like this. This is how it looks inside, and then you can also open up this for the throne. I mean, how cool is that? And here it says,
never forget what you are, the rest of the world will not. Wear it like armor and it can never be used to hurt you. Like Tyrion. Super cool. So this is how it looks. It looks like a book, which is like really cute. You could open it up like this for this thing, but to get to the palettes you have to pull this one out. And here are the eyeshadows. Woo-hoo-hoo. So cute. And this is the like White Walker part, I guess, and this is the Winterfell part, and this is the King's Landing, and this is the Bay of Dragons. But that is the main thing about this collection, and I am so excited. The shadows look absolutely amazing. But wait, there's more, of course. If you pull this little thing out, you find 4 eye pencils, 4 lipsticks. We have one lip and cheek stain, and then we have a highlighting palette and these 2 brushes. It is Swords. Have you ever seen cuter eyeshadow brushes like this? It is Jon Snow's and Arya Stark's. Needle and Long Claw. I didn't know it was called Long Claw, honestly. Maybe I'm a fake fan. Jon Snow's sword is more fluffy and Arya's is just like a flat brush. So super cute. So I thought that we could do some swatches while we go. And first off, as you guys can already see, I have my base done and I do have highlighter, but our first test is the highlighting palette. So I guess we could just swatch them. So this is how it looks. It is this pinkish called Drogon, more like goldy shade called Viserion, and then the dark brownish gold called Regal. Oh my god, I love the middle shade. The darkest one is probably a little bit too dark for me, and the pink I'm not that into. I don't really like colorful highlighters. So I thought even if I have highlighter already, I am going to go in with Viserion and just layer that. That is so nice. I mean, look at that. Wow. So for the eyeshadow palette, the 2 shades that I am most excited about is the Sight, so the green one, and then the Frozen North, the blue. I'm gonna go in with Jon Snow's sword, and I'm gonna go in with Nymeria. It looks like the perfect transition color, and I am going to use that in my crease. I'm feeling brave and I think that I'm just gonna go right in with the green, the Sight, with the needle, and go right ahead and put that on my lid. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my finger. That is gorgeous. I love that. I love that green shade, but now I'm kind of stuck because I don't really have that many matte shades and I really want to matte in the crease. You know what? I'm gonna go in with Weirwood Leaves, and I'm gonna see how that looks in the outer corner. And I'm also going to blend it up into my crease a little bit. That might have been a wrong decision because it just looks gray. So I'm thinking that I will go in with a little bit of Lannister red also on top of that. Sushi! Yeah! I'm gonna get sushi. Let's go in with the Dothraki, the golden shade, and I'm gonna put it in the inner corner and blend it into the green. And now for underneath, I think that I'm gonna go in with Lannister red again, as I did in the crease, and just smoke it out. And now I think that we kind of have to try out bend the knee in the inner corner. I know I'm using a lot of different colors right now, but that is just because I really want to try out as many shades as possible. But also I think it looks really cute, so I'm not complaining. And the lightest shade called Hard Home, I'm just gonna lightly go in underneath my brow. Let's go in with that for highlight as well, just a little bit right here. For fallout, I have gotten a little bit on the shimmery shades, but none at all on the matte ones, and the pigmentation is so good, you guys. And before we're done with the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go in with Nymeria a little bit. Just blend this out a little bit to a cat eye. Just want to smoke it out even more. And now we are of course going to try out the eye pencils. I have already swatched them on my hand. First off, we have Winterfell Snow, which is the lightest shade, and you can barely see it, I think. And then we have Lannister Gold, we have the Night King, and Dragon Smoke. I am, which is really not like me, going to go in with a super dark in my waterline. I really don't love the look of that on me, like dark in the waterline, but for this, let's try it. And that is the Dragon Smoke. Alright, so the eyeshadow is done. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and some lashes, and then I will be right back. Alrighty, the eyes are done, and now it is time for the lips. I mean, we have the lip and cheek tint, but I just like kind of already know that I won't love it. So this is how it looks, and when you blend it in, yeah, it's pretty much nothing there. This first one is a sheer lipstick, and it is called Sansa Stark. It actually looks like a really nice nude peachy shade. Okay, my lips are so dry right now, but other than that, if you don't think about it, it looks really cute, and I really love how it looks with the look. Favorite at the moment. This next one is a metallized one, so I don't think that I will love it. And also I hate the character, and that is Cersei Lannister. And yeah, as I said, it is this metallic brown shade, but who knows, maybe it looks really cute. Okay, honestly, I don't hate it. It looks really cute. Okay, next one. Another metallized lipstick, and this one is the Mother of Dragons, Daenerys Targaryen. And I really wanted to love this one, but as it is metallic, I'm not really sure, but I mean, it looks really cute. Please don't look at the application, because I know that it looks absolutely horrible. For the actual lipstick, also I want to say that all of the lipstick has been so creamy and so pigmented, and they feel really nice. I don't really like this shade with this look, but I don't hate it even. I like, what has happened to me? I don't hate metallic lipsticks. What the hell? And then for my favorite, at least I think, it is the White Walker, and this is a comfort matte formula. And I mean, just look at that dark red gorgeous shade. Honestly, what I'm most shocked about this lipstick is that it is a matte, but it feels so comfortable. So I guess that is why it's called a comfort matte. Probably my favorite, but maybe not for this look. So I actually think that I'm gonna change to Sansa Stark. Alright, so I guess that is it for this video. I am so excited about this launch and this collection and this collaboration. Thank you so much, Urban Decay, for sending me this. I am so excited about everything. I'm actually stoked. If you guys are interested in this limited edition collection with Game of Thrones, I will have some info down below where it will launch and when and all of that. And yeah, I'm just really excited. Actually, most excited about the swords. They are so cute. Okay, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys.